Kansas. When you hear the word Kansas, do you think of this?
I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.
Or maybe this. But did you know that in the state of Kansas, you can not only see Russian spacecraft, but you can also see pyramids made of chalk?
They need to look up the definition of pyramid.
Well, he's not wrong, but today we're going to find out for ourselves what they really look like.
I didn't say you couldn't take a nap.
You just say we had to do this before I take a nap?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I like to take a nap after every travel day.
I mean,
It's my excuse.
it is hard to pull the rig and gets to where it's mentally exhausting. For
Well,
sure.
Lots of setup.
Lots of...
This one takes about twice as long to set up as the old one did.
And lots of dumb drivers that you have to watch out for.
Especially the one in this seat.
But we made it. That's all that matters.
Yep, we made it to Lighthouse Landing RV Park in Hutchinson, Kansas. It's a super nice park.
The sites are really clean and spread out, so that's nice.
Yeah, we have tons of room in our site, and right now it's not overly full, so just an average amount of people in the park, and everybody's extremely quiet except for us.
Has
We
nothing
are-
new though.
We're the loudest people in the park, which is the way it normally is.
There's a really cool little lake out here that I'll put some video in. It has lots of ducks, which is really cool. And then there's a little playground that the boys can play on. There's a really cool vintage looking bathhouse and laundry room, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and they have little cabins too. If you don't have an RV to stay in and you want to stay around the Hutchinson area, but you don't want to stay in a hotel, I would recommend looking them up and giving them a call, because they have they're like little cabins or cottages, something, whatever. I'm not sure what the proper term would be, but they look really neat.
But it's really warm today.
Yeah, it is not very dry up here either right now.
Yeah.
I'm not sure why, but it's extremely humid up here too. I figured it would be drier than where we're from, because it's pretty humid, fairly humid where we're from.
Mm-hmm.
So I figured Kansas would be a little bit drier, but right now, at least where we're at, it's not dry at all, and it's extremely hot.
We saw lots of corn today.
Mhm.
They say the reason why it's so hot is because of the corn sweat. So that was a new thing we learned about on our trip up here, was what a corn sweat was.
I had no idea what corn sweat was.
But there's corn everywhere here, so it makes sense.
And apparently corn gets hot too, and it sweats. I'm not sure how you put deodorant on corn, but that sounds like a hard job.
Good morning. We are up early getting ready to go to the Cosmosphere today. The boys really want to go see this museum. And when I say the boys, I mean Matt. But we're getting ready. I've heard there's some pretty awesome exhibits there about Russian spacecraft, the Liberty Bells there, which is really neat. And also they have a really great planetarium from what I hear. So we're really excited to get to go and just experience this museum. So see you guys there.
I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap, got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, through that I survived, doing 80 to the house, then I hit her to the sky, changed haters on a tirade, talking to their grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe, I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel big from the bib, take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow, I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's cap. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see that, and he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young, to me reckless, gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace.
So my favorite part of the Cosmosphere was the Dr. Goddard Science Lab. I really enjoyed watching all the science experiments and getting to see the boys' reaction to things blowing up, like David said, explosions. So that was really fun. I enjoyed that part.
My favorite part was the planetarium.
That was pretty cool.
That was wicked cool. I really liked it. Yeah, I loved how big it was. Like, it was a small room, but just how big the screen was on the ceiling.
Yeah, it took up the
Big
whole
dome ceiling.
filled your entire vision.
Mm-hmm.
That was pretty cool.
It was very cool. I take that back. That was my favorite part, but also my favorite part was getting to see an SR-71 in person. That was wicked cool.
Is that the one that was in the lobby?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the one that they had to set that plane there on piers and then build the building around it.
Because it was so big.
Yeah, because they couldn't have fit it through the door or anything.
Okay. What was your favorite part of the Cosmosphere today?
My favorite part was the arts and crafts area and also the planetarium. I liked how in the planetarium they explained how the Earth originated and all the life on Earth.
Everything's my favorite.
You have a particular favorite, David?
Well, my most favorite is probably making the space shuttles. And we got to bring them home too.
Oh, in the arts and crafts area?
The arts and crafts area, yeah.
I don't know where they are now, though.
I think they're under your bed.
Yeah, probably. Houston, we have a problem. Yeah, I noticed it. It's they're doing
Say dynamic with it.
That's all. Another one down. Another one nice little.
You hit something. I don't know what, but it hit something. And it.
It's cold, isn't it? That's what we said.
We're about 4 miles from the Monument Rocks. We've been driving out here, it feels like in the middle of nowhere for, I don't know, at least 30 minutes. And when I say it feels like the middle of nowhere, I mean like the middle of nowhere. Like there's nothing out here anywhere. The boys are long asleep. They've been asleep for a while. But I'm really excited to see this place. My friend Jeff from work told me about it, and ever since I saw the pictures I was like, I've got to go check it out because that looks really cool. So we should be there in about 10 minutes, so I'm really hoping to get some good pictures. So we were just talking, we were like, we love to live in the country, but this is like out in the country.
It's way out.
What would you say?
I like living in the country, but not so far in the country I can't go to Dollar General on the same day. Can't go to Dollar General and get back home in the same day.
It is far out here.
It's pretty though.
It is pretty. This is called Pyramid Ranch, is what the sign said.
These stunning rock formations sit on a privately owned ranch, and the generous owners have opened them to daytime visitors since the 1970s. If you're lucky enough to explore this incredible spot, they only ask that you be respectful of the land and of their livestock.
If you enjoyed tagging along with us today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. We've got plenty more coming your way.